Thunderstorms and lightning. All thunderstorms are dangerous because every thunderstorm produces lightning. Lightning can kill or seriously hurt people. Thunderstorms are also dangerous because they can lead to flash floods. Before, build an emergency kit. Make a family communications plan. Remember, if you hear thunder roar, go inside. Stay inside for 30 minutes after hearing the last clap of thunder. During, stay inside. Don't use items that plug into electrical outlets. Power surges from lightning can come through the cords and be dangerous. Don't wash your hands, take a bath, or take a shower. Faucets can conduct electricity. Stay away from windows and doors. Don't lie on concrete floors or lean against concrete walls. They conduct electricities. Don't touch anything metal. Bikes, playgrounds, fences. Stay away from open fields, hills, or beaches. Don't stand near lightning rods like tall trees in an open area or a flagpole. After, stay away from loose or dangling power lines. Stay away from areas damaged by the storm or floodwater. Am I at risk? Thunderstorms and lightning happen everywhere, but thunderstorms that don't produce rain are most common in the western U.S. They occur in the summer when it's warm and humid. Words to know. Electrocution. Death caused by electric shock like a lightning strike. Power surge. A spike or huge quick increase in the amount of electricity coming through a power line. Heat lightning. Lightning seen from a thunderstorm that is too far away for the thunder to be heard. Now go fill out the questions in the resource area about lightning.